What's up guys, so in this quick tutorial for today I'm about to show you how you can add products to your Shopify store using Dsers. So firstly we need to go to apps and search for Dsers. I'll just go to recommended apps and click on add the Dsers app. Just click on install app. Okay, so once we are done with this quick registration process, we're about to go to get started with the free trial. So let's click on AliExpress and just connect with your account. The interface has changed the look to some kind of Halloween theme. So from here, let's go to import list. And from here, let's click on edit product to change prices, change the name of the products and stuff like that. And as you can see, it has been successfully pushed. So I'm gonna check if everything is alright. If this video was helpful, let me know in the comments and hope to see you in the next one. Peace.